the last video, we looked at the pastoral planning parameters for weekday masses. And so in this one, we want to look at a few of the pieces of data with regard to weekday masses for our family of parishes. So if we look at the current masses that are being done within our 9 parishes, we currently have 17 weekday masses that are being done at 10 different locations, 4 of which are at various nursing homes or assisted living centers. So if we look at our map of our area, remember that the parameters says that at least 1 school mass should be done per week. And so we can see that we've got our 3 schools, so we want to take those into account when we're developing our schedule for daily masses. Also, it told us that a priest can do up to 2 masses per day, but that it wasn't specifically meant that he has to be doing 2 masses every single day. We're certainly not trying to max the priest out on what he can do, but rather, for example, maybe a second mass makes sense this day because of religious formation classes or something like that. Another thing we want to consider with regard to weekday masses are the nursing home and assisted living centers that we have in our various communities. We have 7 different locations in 6 different towns spread across our family of parishes. And so the potential is of how do we serve our people that are also living there. So if we look at, here are the lists of the ones that we have. The red ones are where masses are currently being held at different points. So we've got Plainview Manor in Plainview, Colonial Manor in Randolph, Hillcrest Care Center in Laurel, Embers Assisted Living in Coleridge, Park View Haven Nursing Home in Coleridge, Arbor Care Centers in Hartington, and Elms Health Care Center in Ponca. And so we can include that in our discussion as to the schedule with regard to daily masses.